In this guide, you'll learn how to fix no sound on iPhone games. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone volume is turned up using the volume buttons on the sidebar of your device. It might sound basic, but sometimes the volume is simply too low or muted. Also, you can launch your control center, and from here as well you can check the volume in your device. Next, launch settings. Then scroll all the way down and head over to the options, sound and haptics. Here, check that silent mode is turned off and your device is set to ring instead of silent. You can also open control center. Then make sure you haven't enabled the option do not disturb, and make sure the bell or silent icon is not enabled. After that, go back into your game and test the sound again. If it still does not work, try closing the game completely by swiping it away from the app switcher, then reopen it to refresh the audio. If the issue continues, open the game settings itself and look for an audio or sound option, since some games have in-game volume controls that may be turned off or lowered. Make sure everything is enabled and the volume sliders are turned off. Finally, check if Bluetooth is turned on, because your iPhone might be sending audio to connected device like headphones or a speaker without you realizing it. Turn off Bluetooth and test the game again. Lastly, give a fresh restart to your device. That's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.